This was how my bathroom looked for the 6 months that I've lived in this apartment. But in this video, I'm finally giving my bathroom a makeover to turn it into a calming retreat by adding some much needed essentials and incorporating design elements from the rest of my apartment. First, let's do a quick tour around and then talk about the concept behind this design. Here's how I designed my bathroom and my bedroom, which I consider the private spaces. I wanted these private spaces to feel serene, so I used cool colors. White as a base color, blue as a focal color, with accents of stone and black, with green from plants, and cream or ivory colors incorporated from the living room design to create a more cohesive apartment. If you are interested in hearing more about this, watch my full apartment tour for a complete breakdown of how I designed my apartment. Now let's get into this makeover. I'm gonna start by removing this towel rack so that I can put this piece of artwork here. All right, this looks good here, and planning to take out this towel rack. My replacement for hanging towels is this standing towel rack, which will go here just outside the bathtub. Now to finish off this side of the bathroom, I have a new shower curtain that I'm gonna hang, I have a trash can that I wanna put in, and a new stone bath mat. To top off this part of the bathroom, I have this spider plant in this stone vase that's going to add some greenery to this section of the bathroom. Now moving on to the vanity. As you can see, the bathroom is pretty long, so I got a runner to go down in front of the sink. So let's see what that looks like. Next, I wanted to put hand towels here, but because this is an apartment and I don't want to drill into these cabinets, I found this magnetic hand towel holder, and I'm just gonna use magnets to hold it onto the cabinet. The hand towel holder is in. I also replaced the toothbrush holder. If you are familiar with my apartment, you know I have this vertical rib or corduroy pattern in the other parts of my apartment, and so now I'm bringing that element into my bathroom. I also use dots and circles in my apartment, and so this toothbrush holder brings those elements also into the bathroom. And now for the finale, which is filling out the rest of the vanity. Another plant like the spider plant from earlier that does well in the bathroom is a fern. And so I have this small one in a blue ceramic plant pot. That is everything for this update. I'm really happy with this makeover. I'm happy to actually have soap dispensers in my bathroom. If you found this video interesting, give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comments. In my next video, I'll be doing a bedroom update. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss that update. If that update is out already, you'll be able to click here and watch it now. If not, you'll be able to watch my full apartment tour in the meantime. I hope this helps with some ideas for your space, and I'll see you in the next update.